let's say on a
Don't talk about it, it's crazy.
just maybe give us a read.
You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me. It is definitely more of a cozy clean with me, so just have lots to get done around the house today. Honestly, it's going to be a little all over the place and that's okay, but just wanted to take you guys along with me today and just give you some motivation to get something done. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on, don't waste your time.
So of course we're starting in the bedroom and I just made my bed. That is always the first thing I do as soon as I get up or as soon as I start my cleaning routine. And so we're going to come back and vacuum that space as well, but we're going to go ahead in the bathroom and now we're wiping down the mirror. I'm going to wipe out the sinks as well, and then we're going to vacuum this space. And then we're going to work our way into the living room, and then I also want to tackle my guest bedroom where my office is as well. It's looking pretty junky just because I'm trying to get everything together for Christmas, and for some reason I'm using that room as like a junk pile, but we're going to tackle that space as well. And then later on this evening we are going to clean the kitchen. So like I said, lots of motivation. So if you need any type of inspiration to get something done today, you are definitely at the right place. Also, I'm going to go ahead and throw a load of laundry. So if you have that laundry that you need to throw in the wash, let's go ahead and get it done. I know how it is. It's one of those things, once you get started, you're good to go, but just procrastinating can definitely drive you crazy.
What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got
So I definitely didn't have that many towels compared to the dark colored clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in together. If I can just conserve water as much as possible, I definitely try to, if I can just combine all of it together. So that's what I'm doing here. And then we're going to go back to the bedroom and go ahead and vacuum it. Then we'll work our way to the living room after that.
You got me too.
You can write all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do.
So in the living room today, we're just going to straighten up the couch. Honestly, we love the couch, but it is definitely a lot of work to keep neat and tidy. I don't know, it drives me crazy when it looks like we've honestly slept on it all night. But I'm going to go ahead and straighten the couch out, and then we're going to vacuum in here as well. I'm so ready to put up the Christmas decorations. Definitely ready to take the tree down just because I just feel a little claustrophobic in this space, but definitely love how everything turned out as far as Christmas, but definitely ready to take it down.
You say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you. And you got me too.
So next we're going to focus on the dining room area. I'm going to clean off the table, wipe it down, and then we're also going to vacuum in this area as well. This definitely seems to be like our catch-all space in addition to the counter space area, but countertop area in the kitchen. But yeah, so I just wanted to clear everything off the table and then wipe it down as well.
Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there.
Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, it is definitely all over the place, and at first honestly I wasn't even going to post this video just because I do like it to be in such an order that makes it look, you know, easy, cozy, clean, you know, give you all those type of vibes. But I was like, no, this is definitely realistic. I wasn't able to finish all the cleaning in one sitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and post it just to give you that cleaning motivation. But yeah, definitely, I don't know, this was different for me, but I'm so glad I actually posted it to give you guys the motivation. But this is just your sign to know that you can't get everything done all the time in one sitting. You know, definitely give yourself grace and take it easy and be okay if you have to come back to it. Don't necessarily mean that you can't do it later. And you know, if you have things in between cleanings and things like that, just don't say, oh, I'm not going to do it at all. Definitely, you know, take it one step at a time. So just wanted to throw that in there because this was definitely a little bit hard for me, but we are, you know, changing things and getting things together for the beginning of the year. But just wanted to give you guys this video, and if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done around the house. If you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you. And you're off my radar now. I lost you. Yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you. I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright.
So clearly it is much later. It is almost 8 o'clock and we had just eaten dinner. So just wanted to tidy up in here, wipe everything down, and you know, get everything together for the next morning. Most of the time, if I don't feel like cleaning like the entire house, or that day wasn't an entire cleaning routine day, I definitely always like to go to bed with a clean kitchen. And me and Lee are exactly the same, so that definitely helps. So we tag team it, but there's nothing like a clean kitchen whenever you wake up the next morning.
You and I.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it, can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth.
So I normally always use the Power Dawn spray to deep clean my sinks, but lately I've been using the Scrub Daddy natural paste cleaner, and it actually works really good. So if you're in the market for a product that a natural product that deep cleans the sink, you'll definitely like this product.
'Cause I
tip I want to give you guys, that if you don't tackle your floors at all throughout the day or throughout the week, or just choose maybe once every so often to clean your floors, I would definitely recommend at least tackling your kitchen every single day. I don't know, that is pretty much where you accumulate most of your dirt. So I would definitely recommend trying to take 5 to 10 minutes to at least clean your kitchen floors, whether that's sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, however you do it. But I definitely recommend to make that like a daily habit. You know, for some reason it doesn't look as bad in regards to your other floors as if you keep your kitchen floors clean. So definitely recommend that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today, and if that's to simply make your bed or do a load of laundry, definitely be proud of yourself for doing so. And just remember to take it easy during this holiday season, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.